Quick and simple meals ang ating paborito dito sa Simpol. And today, we are making a one-pot na complete meal, ang ating one-pot chicken rice. Let's start cooking! So I have chicken here, a whole chicken cut into pieces, and I will just marinate it very simply with a bit of soy sauce. Here I'm using chicken powder, a bit of chicken powder or dashi, and black pepper. So this will give our chicken its flavor, and this chicken will also flavor our rice, diba? So yan, and I will just mix everything together and let it rest for a few minutes. Yan. Be sure to do this ahead of time para malasang-malasa yung ating chicken, no? If you have rice wine, you can add rice wine to this step. Yan, no? Let that soak. In the meantime, I will prepare my aromatics. So I have ginger here, which I julienne, cut into strips. Very simple. Ako gusto kasi ng maraming ginger. Yan. You can even grate your ginger. Meron tayong konting garlic. In the meantime, while I am chopping my garlic, I will heat up my pan. Yan. Very simple. Chop, chop, chop lang. Oil, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now, I will add my ginger, white onions, garlic. Saute lang tayo. Yan. And I have here dried shiitake mushrooms which I rehydrated. I soaked it in water. Yan. Masarap to. Lalo na pag masute mo, lalabas yung kanyang flavor. Cut it up. Strips. And add it here. And now, I will add my rice. This is 3 cups of rice, bigas, no? And hinugasan ko na siya because I will just add it here to my pot, to my casserole, or your rice cooker. Yan. Yan. And I will just season with a little bit of salt. We want to season our rice para may flavor siya. Saute. Now, just spread that evenly. And we have here 3 cups of chicken stock. Kung ano kadami yung rice natin, ganun din kadami yung ating chicken stock, no? So, para ka lang nagsasaing ng kanin dito, ha? Do not stress yourself. So, ang gusto natin mangyari, sabay maluto yung ating rice and ating ulam, which is our chicken. So, our chicken, which we marinated earlier, mix natin dito again. Let it coat in that delicious marinade. Very simple, but delicious marinade. All we have to do now, para siyang Chinese or Asian paella, no? So, we will add our chicken pieces on top. Yan, no? Everything on top. Yan. So, as the chicken cooks, the juices of the chicken will also flavor the rice. Then serve this with a side of vegetables lang, no? May steamed broccoli ka, kahit adobong kangkong, pwede din. Or pipino salad, spread it all around. Yan. And our marinade, pour it over. Yan. Cover our pot and let it cook like normal rice. So ito siya, around 20 to 25 minutes. Ang ating one-pot chicken rice is almost done. Para siyang clay pot chicken rice, di ba? So, we will make a simple sauce which you can pour over, served on the side, or pwede mo din siyang i-pour na diretso sa ating chicken rice just before serving. So, I have here chicken stock, oyster sauce, combined soy sauce, yan, and sugar. Napaka-simple lang ng ating sauce combination. A bit of saltiness which will complement our rice. Pero ito siya, we have our sauce with preserve on the side. We can pour over before serving. Or just serve it on the side, no? Yan, no? Ating pipino, slice, and nasinan ko yan, and pinigaan ko na, and rinsed a little bit. So I have here vinegar, white vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and let's just mix everything together. If you want to add black pepper, you can add black pepper. Very simple. Do this ahead of time para masarap na masarap siya. And chill your cucumbers para hot and cold ang sarap na combination. And we just pour over our cucumbers. I have here sesame seeds for garnish. Just toss that. Let that rest. Yan. And we are ready to serve our chicken. So, very important, pag nagluto ka ng ganito na stovetop, makapal yung ating lutuan, no? Or else, masusunog yung ilalim, no? Or you use your rice cooker. Pwede din sa rice cooker. Oh, very nice aroma. And just garnish with leek. And it is ready to serve. So, pag nag-serve tayo nito, meron tayo nitong ating cucumbers. Napaka-simple. Do this ahead of time para masarap na masarap yung ating pickled vegetable. Pickled na pickled talaga siya. Sesame seeds. Very nice. Then ito, you can have it with sriracha and ginger scallion oil. Another tip is that you can soak your rice at least 30 minutes before cooking para mas mabilis at siguradong hindi ka mahilawan ng inyong kanin. And let's serve ourselves a portion. Ito pang ilang tao na to, pang marami yata to. So I want the breast part. Yan. And what I will do, this is how I will eat this with the bit of sauce. Mix natin. Sauce natin. Ang bango. Yan, oh. So, talagang malasa to. Ayan, let us taste. Chopsticks talaga tayo, ha? Chop! And the chicken isn't overcooked, ha? Napaka-juicy pa siya. Kasi parang siyang nagiging steamed chicken on top. Eto, may ginger scallion oil ako dito. Pwede din to with hoisin. Sobrang sarap nito. Now, let's taste. Ang sarap niya. Bakit ganun? So you can just add all sorts of sides to get more flavor, more excitement, and talagang magugustuhan to ng kahit sino. Kaya try this recipe, ating one-pot chicken rice. Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!